So I'll be showing you how to turn continuous heart rate monitoring on or off on the Redmi Watch 4. So just press the crown, and on the main menu, just go to the heart rate icon, which is this love icon here. Just tap on it and then scroll to the bottom and you should see settings. So if you tap on settings, you'll have the option for continuous heart rate monitoring. So you can tap on that and turn it on. Now to turn it on, you can either set it to smart so that your watch decides when to monitor your heart rate, or you can set it for every minute or every 10 minutes or every 30 minutes, depending on what you want. Now, if continuous heart rate monitoring is enabled and you want to turn it off, all you have to do is come to the top here and select off. That's basically how to turn that on or off on the Redmi Watch 4. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.